Here's what we expect from the 2022 Tesla Model Y. We are going to share with you everything that we know about the up-and-coming 2022 Tesla Model Y electric car. Whenever Tesla announces that they are going to launch a new car enthusiasts all over the world wait in anticipation to see what the new car will have to offer. We believe that the 2022 Tesla Model Y will continue the trend-setting path that Tesla has done for so many years in the past. The ride will offer Level 5 autonomous driving, and we are sure that the price of the Model Y will be upgraded as well. We are going to share with you everything that we know about the up-and-coming 2022 Tesla Model Y electric car. Everything you need to know about the 2022 Tesla Model Y. 2022 Tesla Model Y trim levels. The 2022 Tesla Model Y will have two trim offers just like all the other Teslas have in the past. You will have the option of choosing between the long range and performance. The long range trim carries a price tag of around $51,000.00 and serves as the entry to the lineup with most of the offerings as standard. The performance is designed for those who want that streak of electric speeding out their engine. It is estimated that the performance will be around $61,000.00. That is a big difference in money between the two different trims that are going to be on offer. In both trims you get a touchscreen infotainment system with OTA updates, front and rear-facing camera, 12 ultrasonic sensors to maintain a safe distance from other vehicles, as well as the iconic full-glass roof which offers a panoramic view. The difference between the two trims is the power that they can give you. The performance comes with a power upgrade which is nice. The motor underneath the hood of the 2022 Tesla Model Y. The 2022 Tesla Model Y is powered by dual electric motors. Each motor powers up one set of wheels. The 2022 model year will not have many changes regarding the power of the motors because the 2022 year model will just be the second year in the car's life cycle. The engine is known as a permanent magnet AC motor and it is an all-wheel drive car. The total power output from the motors stands at 346 HP along with 389 lb-ft of torque. This power has been tamed by a single-speed direct drive transmission, and we do not think that you will see much change here either. The nice thing about an electric car is that you do not have to wait to hit that sweet spot in order for you to tap into the full potential of the motors. The car can go from 0 to 60 miles in 4.8 seconds. That means that a quarter mile will only take you 12.7 seconds to drive. The top speed of this electric car is 155 miles per hour. The 2022 Tesla Model Y is 0.2 seconds quicker per quarter mile than the 2021 Jaguar I-Pace. The interior of the 2022 Tesla Model Y. The Tesla Model Y is such a new car on the market that we do not expect there to be many changes with the 2022 Y model. You get a full glass roof over your head to give that panoramic feel, and also furnishes leather upholstery to justify its luxury outlook at a budget price. The nice thing about the Tesla Model Y is that it is a well-priced electric car, and yet, you feel like you are driving in luxury and style. The cabin is all about being minimal. There is a touchscreen infotainment system in the center of the dashboard. The location of the touchscreen is nice because it is easy to access without you having to take your eyes off the road. It might confuse you, but there are no vents on the dashboard for the air conditioning. This is strange to not see the vents in the car, but do not worry, there is still air conditioning in the car. The one thing that has changed is that the seats are slightly higher and the dashboard is a little bit lower. This helps ensure that you get great visibility while you are out on the roads. The standard seating setup is 5 seats, but you can choose to pick it up as a 7-seater setup as well. Safety features of the 2022 Tesla Model Y. Tesla is known for its great safety rating. The safety suite that the Model Y offers as a standard is 360-degree side, rear, and forward-facing cameras. Forward-facing radar with a range of 160 m. -12 ultrasonic sensors in the entire periphery. Tesla Autopilot. Cruise control. Lane departure warning. Stability control. Traction control. Brake assist. Emergency braking. Lane change assist. If you want to spend an extra $10,000.00, you can get a few extra safety features such as navigate on autopilot, which will drive automatically from highway on-ramp to off-ramp, including interchanges and overtaking slower cars. Auto lane change. Ability to recognize and respond to traffic lights and stop signs. Automatic driving on city streets.